Hi friends. One of you have asked how do I actually link database, table and Notion speaking together. So I want to just demonstrate a really simple linked database tutorial. Okay, so let's create a table here. Linked database is essentially linking different tables together, and say that I want to create a recipe guide. So say recipe, and then I will have to create a table. I'll say a full page table, and this will be my first recipe table. And say that I want to cook salmon fried rice with just like a tag of maybe what kind of food it is. This is like entree. And then I want to link this with a different database. So how do I do it is through just like click at a column, go to property type, and choose relation. So relation is the key that links this table with another. So once you click relation, you can choose a database to link to them. The thing is that I haven't have another one right now, so I would have to first create a different one. So let's go back here and create another table. And this time I want to create maybe a grocery table. So this grocery table would have maybe like the date of grocery shopped, and I would have to restock every once in a while. So say I have salmon, ginger, rice, and blah blah blah. Okay, that's keeping it really simple. Two column here. So now if I go back to recipe table and I choose the relation property type, I could choose the grocery table here, and now create relation, they're linked together. So now I could name this thing whatever. I would just say grocery, and I could choose, okay, this is the ingredients I want to link to. So usually if I have more detailed things like how many rice is, when did I buy that rice, that kind of thing, I could easily compare them in the same view and see what I have to restock based on the ingredients I want to buy, the dish I want to cook, sorry. So you can see that I actually could choose more than one. So another good thing is that I could maybe using this salmon fried rice as like example. It's a umbrella. I could have multiple different ingredients within it, and that would show how this like database is linked. So now I linked it here. Let's go to grocery table and see what it has. So if we go back and go in grocery table, we can see that like this is already updated. So it's a two-way link, meaning that once I link it in one place, it will be populated here. So I could update this to the dish name. So now when I buy grocery, I can know that, okay, salmon could not only create maybe salmon fried rice, if I create a new one called, say, salmon spaghetti or salmon pasta, I could easily create it here. And then I created this salmon pasta here would also be reflected in the recipe table. So now you see that there's a salmon pasta with salmon here, and maybe I could include something maybe like pasta or like some kind of sauce, and then it will be populated in grocery table as well. So now you see that this is a really powerful function if you want to have any say children-parent relation between different properties. This is different.